Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This day we will change the keyboard from this laptop. This is HP Probook 440G4. Okay, so the keyboard it's in short. When it is plugged on the laptop, it shorts all the laptop. The laptop won't start. Right now it is unplugged. I unplugged it. And you can see the laptop is turning on. 2 seconds. Yeah, the laptop is turning on, but I will show you the keyboard isn't working. So not a single key working right now. We will stop the laptop and open it up and get to work. So this laptop has different screws. We have glasses here. Yeah, and right now we don't need actually this one to be open. We need just this. Let's open it, and now it has a place where you can stick the screwdriver and push out the keyboard. I think it's right here. Yeah, we push the keyboard. Let's take it out. Actually, if I remember correctly, it has 2 screws here, or maybe 1. Yeah, it has a screw here. This screwdriver is too big, so we will take another one. Yeah, and let's unscrew this. Take it out. It has another one? I don't think so. No, it doesn't have. Yeah, as you can see, it has a screw here. Okay, and if I remember, another one here, but this is a star. Let's find out what head do we need. This one, I think. Yeah. This is done. Let's get down the screws. They don't want to come off. And now the keyboard, it's out. Okay. So that's the keyboard. Let's change it real quick. This one is different from the other one because this is a LED keyboard. It has LED under the keys, so we can call it an upgrade. Let's plug it here. Okay, let's plug this here. You can see, I know it's just a plug. We connect it real quick. Okay, and that's all. Right now we just need to put the clips back, all the clips, the screws, and we're done. Okay, so I'll screw back the screws and I'll come after to test it. Okay, so I finished assembling the PC. Now let's see if it's working. We see lights and picture. Yay! Let's test it. Okay. Look, everything is working. So our job is done. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.